Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super helpful and short video for any of you trying to find the brake paddle, switch, fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee. That generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And by the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see also where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the brake paddle, switch, fuses and relays, let's explain where they're located. Quick advice guys, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us saved them a lot of money. We need to go ahead and open the hood and facing the engine. Now lucky for us, we'll be working in easy to access fuse box. This is on the right side of the engine. On the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, leave that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here is what we need to check, two fuses. Now, if you come right here, you see that fuse, that's known as fuse number 14. That's actually a double fuse, known also as micro 3-blade fuse. Check that fuse right here. The next thing that you need to check guys specifically will be fuse number 77, another double micro 3-blade fuse. So fuse number 14, fuse number 17 will need to be checked. What about relays? You don't have any relays. The brake module practically will be doing the relay function. You need to check just these fuses that are known as relay fuses. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.